This is a lock nut used in machine tools, and I'm sure you're all familiar with its use. On the surface is a strong, solid product made of high-quality material. But what about its special features and its precision? These are things that you can't tell just by looking at a product. So how can you tell if this is a good lock nut or not? You might ask whether the quality of such a small lock nut is really an important thing for large machine tools. Well, I'm here to tell you that the quality and precision of a lock nut has a huge impact upon the operation of the machine that it's installed in. If you use a low-quality lock nut, you may discover this when you try to install it in a machine and discover that it doesn't fit properly. If you do manage to install it, then you may find that it's not as precise as the machine that it's installed in, and it doesn't fit properly, therefore affecting the precision of the machine. Or, after using the lock nut over a long period of time, you may even find that it works loose or falls off, causing serious problems for the machine or even seriously damaging the machine. The best lock nuts will not display the issues that we have mentioned, but they'll maintain their precision and operate accurately over a long period of time. Choosing a high-quality lock nut is like buying insurance for your machine, guaranteeing stable, consistent, efficient operations for a very long time. So come along with me now and let's see how a high-quality lock nut like this is manufactured and can become a globally successful product. Yinsh Precision Machinery was founded in 1989 to develop and produce high-precision lock nuts and bearings for the machine tools industry. It has rapidly developed from a small family business of 7 people into a modern company with over 100 employees today. Since its breakthrough developments in computerized operations 10 years ago, it has managed to take a good share of this market. Yinsh has enjoyed a great deal of success as a result of process-driven operations and systematic management, and has developed the YS and SBL brands to be 2 major brands which have become very successful in the international market. So let's go in now and have a look at the birthplace of these highly successful, internationally renowned products. The manufacturing of Yinsh lock nuts is primarily split into 2 categories of internal and external thread nuts. The main categories of high-precision lock nuts are CNC lathe grade, CNC grinder grade, as well as the SBL superfine balanced lock nuts as the 3 main product categories. The SBL series of lock nuts have been specially developed and produced for high-speed CNC machine spindles and can guarantee rigidity and accuracy are maintained at high operating speeds. These lock nuts are used on built-in and direct drive spindles. In order to ensure that they can meet the high precision requirements of spindles, ball screws and bearings, Yinsh developed its own unique high precision CNC grinder to ensure that the products they produce match the needs of this demanding market. The special design of their ID CNC grinder means that they can complete the cutting of the precision internal screw in one operation, ensuring the accuracy of the lock nut and ensuring the long-lasting precision operation of the machine which it's employed in. In order to accommodate their customers' requirements, Yinsh has specially imported 10 famous brand high-quality European grinding machines by Ereschauer and Matrix, specially to grind the threads for main spindle lock nuts and further promote their precision and ease of installation. Yinsh has devoted itself to the production of high-quality, high-precision lock nuts. The lock nuts are used in many industries, including CD, DVD production, medical equipment production, plastic mold production, as well as spare parts production. Yinsh Precision Machinery constantly strives to produce the very best and highest quality products to meet their demanding customers' needs. We've just seen the high precision of the manufacturing at Yinsh, but this next section is the most important to Yinsh Precision Machinery. The strict quality control of its products is the most important part of the manufacturing process for Yinsh. Each and every lock nut produced has to go through a very strict examination and testing process to ensure that it meets the very high standards of the international market for accuracy and operational efficiency. Yinsh has specially imported Swiss high-precision measuring and testing equipment linked to a projector to accurately check the internal and external measurements of the lock nuts. Additionally, they have a 4-meter-long Swiss screw thread measuring device to ensure the high level of precision required in the threads of the lock nuts. Only after this process is complete can a lock nut bearing the Yinsh logo leave the factory and be sold on to dealers and end users. You might think it rather strange that such a small lock nut has to undergo such a long and rigorous set of quality tests and checks before it's allowed to bear Yinsh's name in the marketplace. But this is the reason for the huge respect and excellent reputation of the products from Yinsh and the Yinsh brand in the international market. Yinsh Precision Machinery has developed step by step and now successfully markets its products in many international markets, including Europe, the USA, and 20 countries in Asia. Through their steady and consistent focus on the development of this small product, they have moved far ahead of the competition in this market and now occupy an important place in the global market for this type of product. In the design of its headquarters location, Yinsh has developed a warm and natural European-style environment to match its modern business methods. This is not only to provide its customers with a welcoming quality environment, but also ensures that Yinsh's staff feel that they're truly entering a comfortable and homely working space. Why don't you come and visit Yinsh for yourself? And then you'll see what a great and successful company this really is.